Hello and welcome to the Zigzag Loop training task. This task is often considered one of the more challenging exercises because it's easy to use too much force. The goal of the task is to pass the rope in a zigzag pattern through the loops. We begin on the right side of the first row, then we move to the second row as we go back to the first and back to the second. This way you create a zigzag pattern. Ensure that you pass enough of the rope through the first loop to avoid any issues near the end, and also be mindful of the forces you apply while passing the rope through the loops itself. And that's how you complete the Zigzag Loop training task. Now I will perform the task once more, but a bit faster. Thank you for watching this Zigzag Loop training video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.